Hello traders, before we get into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, on my screen right now, I am looking at the MQL5 marketplace page for the Range Breakout EA by Claye Weight version 1.2, last updated on 7th January 2025. Now, this is currently listed as a free expert advisor, and right at the top, it clearly presents itself as a range breakout trading robot designed to capitalize on early market structure, especially those morning breakout movements where price tends to establish direction and then continue throughout the session. All right, so scrolling through the description, what stands out immediately is the focus on session-based trading logic, especially things like the Asian sessions breakouts and opening range breakouts. So the idea here is not random entries, but rather reacting to structured time-based ranges. Now, moving into the settings area, this EA gives quite a flexible configuration panel. You can define things like the range start and end time, which basically allows you to control the session window you want the EA to observe. There's also a visual option for range coloring, which helps you identify the active range on the chart. On the risk side, there are multiple options available. You can switch between fixed lot sizing or percentage based risk, right? So which means you can adapt it depending on whether you prefer static or dynamic position sizing. Then under the order settings, we've got things like a magic number for trade identification, options to allow trading in both directions, and even the ability to close trades or orders at a specific hour. So there is a decent level of trade management control built into the system. Now, when we move into entry related settings, this is where the breakout logic becomes more customizable. You can set stop loss in pips, or even base it on session structure. There's also partial take profit functionality where you can close a percentage of the trade early and then let the rest run toward a final take profit if enabled. We also have trailing stop functionality where you can define a trigger distance and a trailing distance, right? So once price moves in your favor, the EA can start locking in profit dynamically. All right, so now I'm going to be switching over into the strategy tester to take a look at the historical behavior. Okay, we are going to be testing the range breakout EA on a currency pair of our choice and the time frame of our choice, since there was no specified or recommended currency pair or time frame. All right, so having downloaded the EA already, I'm just going to head over to my strategy tester right now. Okay, I'm going to just look for the range breakout EA, and let's test it on USD JPY on the M15 time frame. We're going to be testing from the beginning of this year till date, so we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. And then as for the delays, we're going to use the last ping to the server. All right, and we are using the every tick modeling. Okay, so let's just start the back testing immediately. Okay, what I am focusing on here is how the EA reacts around those defined session ranges. You can, you'll be able to see how it builds up the range first and then reacts when price breaks above or below that structure. Anyways, in a couple of seconds now, we're going to have the results out, and we're just briefly going to look at the chart, look at a couple of trades that we are taking, based on the trade history, right? And then we're also going to head over to the results to see how the EA performed over, the period of the back testing, which is around 4 months and 2 weeks. All right. So here we go. We can see that this EA is not the type to stack trades, right? We can see that there is also reasonable spacing between trades, and the EA is capable of holding trades for a while. For example, we can see that a buy trade was entered here and exited here, right? These are 15-minute candles, each of these. So imagine how many candles are here, right? So this this span would have taken, quite a number of hours before the trade was closed. Okay, so this is not exactly a scalping EA. All right, we can see another example here. A sell trade was taken here and closed here. Okay, so the EA can hold trades for a while. All right, and this was a buy trade executed here and closed here. Okay, that means this one closed in loss. Okay, let's just go to the graph. All right, we can see the equity curve here, the balance against the equity. The balance and equity are close to each other, so that means that there is no very extensive drawdown per time, right? So the EA records some losses and close the trades and all of that, and then over time the balance was actually rising alongside the equity. This is quite a gentle slope. Yeah, there were periods of drawdowns, quite all right, but over time it was quite a gentle slope to the upside. But now let's just head over to the backtest results, and we can see that from an initial deposit of $3,000, the total net profit made was over 200%. 200%. Giving us about $6,157 in total net profit. And we can see that total trades taken were 77. There were 33 short trades with a 54.55% win rate, and there were 44 long trades with a 52.27% win rate. All right, so this tells me that despite the win rate just being average, okay, the EA was still able to perform really well over 4.5 months. All right, and looking at the risk to reward ratio, using the largest profit trade and average profit trade alongside the largest losing trade and average losing trade, using these data to judge the risk to reward ratio, we can see that the risk to reward ratio is also pretty average, right? Because the largest profit trade is $1,502, while the largest loss is $1,076, and the average profit is $458.32, while the average loss is $350.94. So this tells me that the difference between the average profit and the average loss is not that much. Okay, so I can just call it a risk to reward ratio of close to 1:1, or maybe 1:1.1 or 2 or thereabouts, right? So the risk to reward ratio is not even that good, it's just average. But because this EA is not the type that targets very short-term movement, so when the EA records success, it seems like the success is usually significant, and we can also verify that from the average profit trade. Average profit trade is $458.32. Okay, so if you compare the average profit, the average loss, and then the win rate, you will see that when you have quite a lot of trades taken, for example here 77, okay, you can still be able to have a substantial profit. But remember that these are just historical backtest results. Okay, it does not guarantee future performance. Okay, now I'm gonna recommend running longer term testing yourself, because the more data you include, the better you understand how the EA behaves across different market cycles and volatility conditions. All right, so before going live, it really makes sense to optimize it and test it thoroughly on your own environment. So to wrap things up, the Range Breakout EA is clearly built around the structured session breakout concept with a good amount of customization in terms of risk entries and trade management. The flexibility is there, but the real effectiveness will depend on how well those settings are tuned to your specific market conditions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.